love the color already. Is that what color it actually is?
It matches your color.
No, it does. It matches my couch. Is that what color it actually is? Let's find out. Oh, it is. It's like a bluish, greenish. Ooh, I like that. What do you think? Let's see. Oh, I like that color.
Ooh, it is a big canister. Wow.
I guess it has twice the, supposedly on one charge it'll last for 60 minutes.
I guess it's not too heavy.
It has twice the battery life of any other. Do that again. No, let me see the top.
Oh, yeah.
That's so cool. What is that, Memphis? What is that?
All right, apparently it's got more parts.
We're gonna unbox some of these parts real quick. So we have it all, hi Shelby. We have it all opened and put together and unboxed, and I wanted to give you guys some of the key points of it. Let's see, it has super strong motor, which we're definitely gonna test. 2 batteries, so double the run time. I just said that a minute ago. The HEPA filter, which is kind of neat. Jamie will show you that in a second. And it has dual charging. So it charges 1 battery at a time, or it can charge, oh, it charges both batteries.
It appears.
Oh, that's really cool. Hi.
Yep, there it is.
Hi.
If you set it down in here, it'll charge both. So here, let's plug it in and see.
All right. Okay, so we have it plugged in. The 1 battery is already charging. Batteries slide on and off. Now you can take the whole unit all put together like that. And look! Now both batteries are charged. That's pretty cool because that means you really could use that to vacuum the whole house.
Possibly. And then we're going to show you, which they won't let you miss that, but big yellow sticker here shows the filter. They give you a filter cleaner.
This is really cool. We will use this so much.
You can take the filter out, put it in here, and then you attach it to your vacuum, and it says, just pull the trigger and rotate it around.
So you can clean all the dust out of the filter.
Yep.
That's so cool. It's a wild Jamie in his natural habitat. Oh my gosh, it lights up!
It's like the Hoover.
It's so crazy. So is that on the low setting? It's gotta be because it's so quiet.
It seems like this would be on a low setting.
We also haven't, we haven't fully charged the batteries yet. What is that? What is that, Selby? Get it, Memphis, get it! Get the vacuum cleaner!
There's definitely dog hair in there.
Oh my gosh.
And it appears to empty quite easy. I would always detach it and then just hit the button right there and whoop, everything will drop out.
Oh wow!
And now because I just made a mess.
Now we gotta clean it up again. Clean it up again! Oh, wait, here, it's on again. It's on again. Get him, Memphis. Get him, Memphis.
Let's get all this fur.
Wow. Wow, the difference between right there and just a little bit over where you didn't do that, that's pretty good. For being a little handheld vacuum. Just a little cordless vacuum.
Yeah, it definitely does not come charged. We'll have to
yeah, we'll have to charge the batteries.
Charge it and see how long you can go.
Yeah.
On a battery. But it, like I said, it does come with the 2 batteries. And it is nice that it's not cordless.
Yeah, we have way too much fun with vacuum cleaners.